It's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the new Plouise Blend Away 2022 eyeshadow palette. This is actually my first palette that I get from Plouise, so I am going to be doing a swatches. Not a swatches. I'm going to be doing swatches for you and then a tutorial on this look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I had to go ahead and share this with you because the packaging is just way too cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I bought this with my own money and it feels like this is a PR package that was sent to me, but it's not. I paid for this. But look at how gorgeous and pretty, like, Plouise. Packaging, you get 100 already, and I haven't even looked at your swatches or anything just yet. This is my first ever item that I get from them, and then it came in a bag inside of this, like, just amazing. Literally, this says, of course, I've made 15 Black Friday orders already, but this one is my favorite. So that is super cute. And then right over here, it says, once you open me, I'm officially yours forever. Items are non-refundable and non-exchangeable. Get ready to fall in love. So I just think it's so cute. Like, I want to open it and share this moment with you. Ugh. Hold on. Like, Plouise, you're doing so good. Okay, open it up. Let me just take that off. I ain't trying to have you see that information. But it was nice and packaged because I live in Los Angeles. And this, I believe, was from the UK. So, let me tell you, 10 out of 10 for packaging. Here she is. Here is the Blend Away 2022 eyeshadow palette. Now let's go ahead and open her up. This is what she looks like outside of the box, and then when you open her up, oh, look at all those colors. Already you can see that they are super pigmented. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. There's a total of 5 rows. From left to right, we have Bye Babe, Let It Go, New Year, Better Me, Past, Present, Future, New Slate, Chapter 1, Resolution. Second row from left to right, we have Brand New, Buy Bad Habits, Moving Up, Start Again, Making Changes, Switch It Up, Goal Setter, Here and Happy, I'm Ready, Better Attitude. Third row from left to right, we have New Mindset, Renovant, Ready to Achieve, Loving Me, 23 is Mine, Try Again, Change is Good, Life Happens, Stick With It, Chasing More. Fourth row from left to right, we have Another Year, Accomplish, Winging It, Willpower, No Excuses, Determined, I Want It All, Fitter Not Bitter, See You Never, Time to Shine. Fifth row from left to right, we have Adjustments, One Day of One, Self-Love Club, Point of View Badass Babe, Stay Focused, Never Settle, Myself First, In the Moment, Don't Give Up, and finally, Transformation. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial part of it. I already did one eye just because I was like testing it out and whatnot, but let's see. I'm going to use the Plouise. This is in Rumor 02. This is a really good base. This is like the only thing I think that I've owned from Plouise until now, which is this palette that I was so excited about. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender and blend this into the eyelid so we can start working our magic. With this JH35 brush, I'm going to grab the color called Pass, which is from the first row, and that is going to be our outer part of the eye color. Actually, I kind of did this backwards. Oopsie. This is what happens when you only do one eye first and then you kind of just like, you know, mess it all up. I'm just going to focus this right now on the outer part of the eye, and then I'm going to go in with the other color that I was supposed to, but my mind just went a different way. But with this look, it's going to be a lot of going back and forth. As you can see, this is super pigmented as it is. And I'm just surprised because I did this eye. I usually always do my eyes first just in case of fallout. And I feel like I didn't really get much fallout on this eye. So I'm very excited about that. With this Morphe M433 brush, I was supposed to grab the color Present, which is also in the first row. And that was supposed to go all over the eye, basically, on the crease and all. But I went in with Pass first, which is fine. I feel like they all kind of look the same anyway, so it's going to work out. I'll just go over it again with Pass. Is it Pass? Yeah, Pass to darken it up a little bit. But just going back and forth and in circular motions as well. With this JH34 brush, I grabbed the color New Slate. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade. That way there isn't any harsh lines and everything is nice and blended. Now with this Anastasia A10 brush, I grabbed the color New Chapter. Actually, Chapter 1, not New Chapter. Chapter 1. And I'm going to put that right below the brow bone as well to blend everything in. With a flat brush, I'm grabbing the color Better Me, and I'm going to put that on the lid. I'm going to do it first with a brush, and then I'm going to use my fingers because it actually applies a lot better with the fingers. But even though I'm applying it with the brush, I'm still getting color, and I'm not getting any fallout. So I am really, really liking that part of it. So like, I'm just going to use my fingers now and put that. As you can see, it like came out twice as pigmented. And it's just so pretty. With this Sigma E54 brush, I grabbed the color called Here and Happy. And I'm going to apply that on the inner corner so I can be like my pop of color. And you can see it does apply with the brush, but it's a little bit more subtle. And I really, really want it to pop. So what I'm going to do is use my finger. And she's a little pink right now. And I'm going to pop that right in there. And immediately you see the pop of color, the difference. And that is all because I'm using my fingers. So this is good. With a small little brush like this one, this is the Morphe JH43. I grabbed the color Adjustments, and I'm going to use that to do a little bit of some eyeliner work because I need something to blend the lashes. So I'm still going to do my liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off of camera because it takes some time. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off of camera, clean it up, and then come back and finish off the eyes. Okay, so let's finish off the eyes. I'm going to use this small little brush. This is a JH40 brush. And I'm going to grab the color Present. And that is the color that I'm going to be applying underneath my lash line to smoke it all out. So far, everything is looking real good. I haven't experienced any creasing and any fallout, actually, surprisingly. I'm still shooked about that. But I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. Same brush. I'm going to grab the color New Slate. And again, just apply it on my lower lashes. And that way everything is blended nicely. With my pinky, I'm going to go ahead and grab the color Here and Happy. And I'm just going to pop that right on the inner corner, but like in the lower part of it, just to make it pop and brighten, just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes and all of that off of camera, and then I'll show you the final look. This is how the makeup turned out, and I am really liking the way that it looks. I think it's super pretty. It's giving me Valentine's Day. That's why I did the pink, hence the pink heart earrings. I actually got these at Forever 21, but the palette, yo, where is it at? Hold up. This baby right here. I am so happy I actually made the purchase. I know that it's a little hefty. It is $51 and then plus shipping. If you don't pay for shipping, then you will get it, I think, in a month or so. But if you pay for like other shipping, which can be, I think, $15 or so, then you'll get it within a week or so. I keep saying or so. But yeah, I paid $51 plus shipping to get this, and I am just so happy. I've been wanting some eyeshadows from her, Plouise, and it was definitely worth it. Each eyeshadow here, literally, the swatches were amazing. All these colors here, I don't even know how you call them, like the shimmery, they're buttery, and they're just so like pigmented. I mean, look at the inner corner of the eye, girl, it's popping. You can't tell me otherwise, okay? So I'm actually really happy with the purchase. I 100% recommend it, and it actually makes me excited to possibly try out other of her palettes. Also, this just overall made me excited about makeup again. I feel like I've just been kind of in a run to where I'm not even wearing eyeshadow anymore, and this just color story is so playful and so pretty. Like, you know, I did pinks today. There's some colors in here that I'm like, ooh, I want to do like a sunset bronzy, you know, eyeshadow look. Like, there's just so many different looks you can do with this, and it's just so pretty. It does come with a mirror, but my only concern would be from this is the fact that I feel like it's cracking pretty loud in this part here, so I feel like it might break, so I have to be very careful the way that I hold it. But it is a little bit of a heavy, you can say, palette, but not like tremendously, but it is a little heavy. But oh my gosh, I just can't say more. But I really like the way my makeup turned out. I really like this palette. I'm excited. So hands down, I recommend. So I hope you found this video helpful and that you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 12 p.m. Comment down below, let me know, do you have any other palette from Plouise, or are you planning to get this one? I love to interact with you. You're more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that good stuff. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!